Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to navigate between views using NavigationLink. For those of you who haven't seen our sample app before in our previous videos, we are building an app where users can save their newly learned vocabulary using SwiftUI and SwiftData. Here's a quick recap of our app's project. As you can see, we use a word model to save the word itself, the description of the word, and an example sentence. The extension to our model here helps us in the NewWordView. This is our NewWordView. Using this view, we collect the word, its description, and an example sentence from the user through this form. Let me show you the preview section here so you can duplicate it if needed. Next, let's go to the WordListView, which is the view that greets the user. In this view, we list every word in our database. The button in the top right corner opens a sheet displaying the new word view in front of the WordListView, allowing us to insert new data into our app. As you can see, I saved a word in the app, and I also wrote a description of the word along with an example sentence. However, I can't see it on the screen right now, even though I saved the data. It feels intuitive to click on a list item to see if there is more information available. What I want to build here is that when the user clicks on a word, they are navigated to a view displaying additional information about the word saved in our database. The content view serves as the entry point to our app, where we load the word list view. This is the main file of the app, where we have already placed our model into the schema. Let's go ahead and build our new view. Open a new SwiftUI view using the command and shortcut and name it WordDetailView. We need to use the environment wrapper with our model context to access our views and any changes already made in the memory. As discussed earlier, we will display the details of a word in this view, so the view needs to expect a word selected by the user in the word list view. We'll use a special wrapper called bindable to bind the word to our model. Bindable ensures that whenever the word is updated in any of our views, the changes are synced with the model and consequently the entire UR hierarchy. Simply use the bindable wrapper, SwiftData and SwiftUI will handle the rest for you. As you can see, as soon as I define the bindable variable word, the preview expects a word variable for the view. Let's quickly fix the preview by providing an example word, although I'll show you a more efficient way of supplying data to previews in the future. For now, let's use a sample word and move forward. We'll build a view with a structure very similar to the new word view. I'll use a list with sections for a clean UI, where we display the word itself, its description, and an example sentence. Our detail view is ready for now. Next, let's go back to the word list view, where we will add navigation to the word detail view. In this view, we list all the words in our database. For each word on the list, we'll use a navigation link. Set the word detail view as the destination and pass the word to the view. I still want to display the word itself in the list, so we will simply write text word.word here. Now let's test it. Click the plus icon to add a new word, fill the form, click Save, then swipe down to close the new word view. Click on the word and you'll navigate to the word detail view. Let's add another word. You'll see that we can seamlessly navigate between views. Let's run the app and test it on my phone. I'll use my phone as a simulator, but you can also use Xcode's built-in simulator. Our app works as intended. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below about what you would like to learn next.